Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Monster for resume management productivity, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Monster website. Look for the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Enter your first name in the designated field. Next, input your last name. Provide a valid email address. Create a secure password for your account. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. Fill in your phone number if requested. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Complete any additional fields, such as your current job title or industry. Review the terms and conditions linked on the page. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. To finalize your registration, click on the Create Account or Register button. You may need to verify your email address through a confirmation link sent to your inbox. Open your email and locate the confirmation email from Monster. Click on the verification link within that email. Once verified, return to the Monster website and log in using your email and password. Navigate to the Resume Management section once you're logged in. Choose the option to upload your resume or create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the resume upload or creation process. Review your resume to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Save your resume and check back regularly for updates. Utilize Monster's tools to enhance resume visibility and boost your job search productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.